What if I told you the most important company on Earth isn't Apple, isn't Microsoft, isn't even Nvidia, but a company most people have never heard of? This tiny island nation, Taiwan, is home to a silent giant, TSMC, the Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. The chips made inside its ultra-clean laboratories power every smartphone, every data center, and every AI breakthrough happening today. This is the story of the company that the world simply cannot afford to lose. The origin of a tech titan TSMC began in 1987, founded by a visionary engineer, Dr. Morris Chang, a man who would reshape technology without ever becoming a household name. At that time, US and Japanese giants like Intel, IBM, and NEC dominated chip manufacturing. But Chang had a revolutionary idea. Instead of designing chips and manufacturing them, what if a company focused only on production? TSMC became the world's first pure-play semiconductor foundry. No competing with customers, no designing chips, just mastering the art of building the smallest, fastest, most complex circuits ever created by humans. And that idea changed everything. Why TSMC is untouchable. Today, TSMC controls over 90% of the world's most advanced semiconductor production. Let that sink in. Your iPhone chips? Made by TSMC. Nvidia's AI GPUs powering ChatGPT? TSMC. Chips for AMD, Qualcomm, Apple, Broadcom? TSMC again. No other company has mastered manufacturing at the 2nm and 3nm scale like TSMC has. Building a single factory costs $20 billion. The machines inside, EUV lithography tools, cost over $200 million each and are built by one company on Earth, ASML. This creates a technology bottleneck so powerful that TSMC has become irreplaceable. If it stopped tomorrow, the global economy would collapse. TSMC in global politics. TSMC doesn't just make chips. It sits at the center of the world's most dangerous geopolitical rivalry. USA versus China. Both superpowers depend on TSMC. The United States needs it for military systems, supercomputers, iPhones, AI chips, satellites. China needs it for smartphones, EVs, telecom networks, and industrial tech. But here's the twist. TSMC is in Taiwan, a region China claims as its own. This has created what experts call the Silicon Shield. The world depends so heavily on TSMC that Taiwan's semiconductor industry has become a global deterrent. If TSMC falls, the technological world falls with it. Is TSMC a good investment? TSMC has become one of the most valuable and strategically essential companies in the world. Why investors love it? Dominates advanced chip manufacturing. Essential for AI megatrends. Deep partnerships with Apple, Nvidia, AMD, strong margins. Thanks to unmatched technology. Demand for chips is exploding in AI, cloud, defense, cars, IoT risks. Geopolitical tensions with China. Rising competition from Samsung, huge capital costs, dependence on a small geographic region. But one thing is clear. As long as humans build smart machines, TSMC's chips will power them. Narrator. TSMC isn't just another company. It's the backbone of modern civilization. The hidden engine behind every breakthrough of the digital age. If Nvidia is the brain of AI, TSMC is the heart. So tell me, is TSMC truly the most important company in the world? Or is it simply the most fragile? Comment your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the companies shaping our future.